Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to request a credit line increase on your Discover card, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of making a successful request. Let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your eligibility. Before you submit a request, check if you're eligible for a credit limit increase. Discover generally considers factors like your payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Ensure your account is in good standing and that you've made timely payments. Step 2. Log into your Discover account. Visit the Discover website or open the Discover mobile app. Log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one to manage your credit card effectively. Step 3. Navigate to the credit line increase section. Once logged in, look for the Increase Credit Limit option. This is usually found in your account management section. Click on it to start the process. Step 4. Fill out the request form. You will be presented with a form to fill out. Provide the requested information, which may include your current income, employment details, and monthly housing payments. Be honest and accurate, as this information will be used to evaluate your request. Step 5. Review your information. After filling in your details, carefully review the information you've provided. Ensure everything is correct and complete. Any inaccuracies might affect the outcome of your request. Step 6. Submit your request. Once you are satisfied with your information, submit your request. You may receive an immediate decision, or you might be informed that it requires further review. Step 7. Wait for a response. Patience is key here. If your request was instantly approved, congratulations. If it needs further review, Discover will notify you of the outcome within a few days. Keep an eye on your email or your Discover account for any updates. Step 8. Understand the outcome. You will receive a notification regarding the decision. If your request was approved, familiarize yourself with your new credit limit. If it was declined, Discover usually provides reasons, which can help you improve your creditworthiness in the future. Remember, it's essential to use your credit limit responsibly and maintain a good credit score. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.